Today I am going to show how to create YouTube channel. First, number one is login to YouTube and with your Google account or create a new account. Second number is click on your profile icon and select create a channel. Number three, choose a name that reflect your content niche. Four number is upload a profile picture and an attractive banner image. Five number is write a clear and engaging channel description. Plan your video topic and upload schedule. Uh, Film high quality content and edit using software like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro. Use catchy title, thumbnail, and tags for better visibility. Share your video on social media and interact with viewer. Monitor performance using YouTube Analytics to improve over time. Thanks for watching my video.